Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is restoring the headlights on your vehicle that turn yellow. So I'm going to use a product that's very simple and very inexpensive to do this, so you don't have to buy new headlights. So hopefully this works and saves you some money. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, it was a 2013 Honda Odyssey, and we parked it outside. And over time, you notice the headlights again a little bit more foggy, and it looks makes the car dated and ugly, I guess, in a way. Not only that, the headlight distance light projection is actually less now than before. In my case, it's not that bad, but if it's really yellow, then you probably see that. So I'm going to show you how to save some money and do this really quickly. And it doesn't cost you a whole bundle of money to do this, but it does cost you some time. So keep that in mind. You might want to allocate about 2 hours just in case before you attempt this task. And everything you need to do is actually in the box with the exception of a few other pieces. Okay, a little bit about the product is Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. So you can see the before and after picture here. There's no drill required, and the process is very simple. Everything you need is included in this thing, including the little sponge applicator that you use it to clean the headlight. However, you want to clean the headlight with water, free of debris and all those other stuff before you get started. So it's two-step process. I figure out it's really three because you need to do the clear coat 2 times, and more on that a little bit later. And there's different versions of the headlight. A bit more about the product. So after you apply this fix, your headlight should be able to see further away and also besides looking better. So there's three different versions: severe, moderate, and light. Severe is the yellow pack, heavy duty, moderate is the blue, and light is the red one. So if it's light, I just wouldn't even do it, to be honest. My case is a moderate case. It's not that bad, but it's getting there. I thought maybe I'd clean it up a little bit and also try out the product. It's a two-step process. Headlight restoration kit. It's pretty simple overall since I already did it before I make this video. And everything you need in terms of fixing the headlight is hair. However, the things that are not included are towel, spray bottle, masking tape, like a plastic bag, and also some patience. So those are the things that you need overall. Keep in mind this is chemical. I really suggest you wear some gloves. So it's going to be hard on your hands if you don't wear gloves to do this thing. And also you want to do it outside of the home to be in a ventilated area as well too. So that's something to keep in mind. And how much does it cost? Okay, so the item costs about $20, and I purchased mine from Walmart, but you can probably get it at other places. I'll find other places, so I'll post it below in the description. One thing to note is that you get the one that fits your car. So there's three different ones I mentioned earlier, and also read the instructions as well. Read it carefully and allocate time to do this thing. Don't rush through it. It will be successful if you take the time and read the instructions and apply apply with the directions. Okay, so first you got to clean it and coat it, but there's actually a lot more things in between that they don't mention. So I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, what's inside? You got the two pads, the cleaning solution. All right, so you want to read this instruction, and also the headlight coating. The headlight coating is the clear spray, pretty much. After you clean everything and wash everything before you apply this. Always read the instructions carefully before using. Of course, you want to shake this really well for both as well, so before applying. So I'm going to show you on my vehicle and get started. Okay, to start, we clean out the headlights. I'm going to do both sides. So I'm doing this one here first before I do the other one. And since I don't have a microfiber, I'm just going to use a towel here. I'm going to use more than one towel. I think that's the second best solution maybe. Just make sure it's very clean. I'm going to go back at this a little bit. And my headlight's not in worse condition. It's just beginning to get cloudy. Still usable, but I want it to look good. So, I want to invest some time and money into it. And also, over time, if you don't take care of it, it will may crack as well too. So that's another thing. This one, if you look directly into it, you notice there's some haze and stuff like that. So that's something to note. And also, we clean the other side as well too. So make sure it's very clean. Headlights look really still in very good condition, but I just want to get all the debris and everything off it. It's just got water, so I don't have any special solution to clean it. Okay, the next thing I want to do is actually put a plastic bag or something to cover the overall paint. Then you want to tape it around with masking tape or where painter's tape or wherever tape you have. I guess make sure it holds it. Then you want to cut out the headlight, of course, and you want to probably mask more tape around the edges, so so you don't damage the paint of the vehicle. Next, you want to make sure you shake well the cleaning solution. Okay, next thing you want to open up the bottle, take out the cap part out. Then you want to also pour a quarter of the solution. It's more than a quarter, I guess, but that would do. Then you want to rub the headlights. So I'm just going to go rubbing the headlights all the way through. I'm just going to start on this side first, then later on do the other one off camera. Otherwise, it's going to be a very, very long video. Okay, next, you want to spray the water and clean it out after you finish rubbing it. So make sure it's very, very clean because you're going to apply the clear coat on it. Notice I'm very liberal with the water. Use a lot of water on the spray bottle. Okay, after you finish washing the headlights, of course, you want to dry it with a towel. After you do that, then you're going to apply the spray. So this is the clear coat spray. Please read the instructions. Shake it really well before applying. Okay, so after you finish shaking the solution, you want to make sure the area is very clean, free of debris, free of anything, pretty much. 100% if possible. Okay, then you're gonna apply the spray. So I actually did this spray initially. I'll need to spray the first initial spray. I sprayed to the other side because I didn't want to get the blob over the headlight. Just go over a few times. Just gentle. Notice the headlight's actually looking better already, right? Yes, it is. No, I didn't cover the car that well because it's an older car. I just really care about the headlight more than the paint of the car. Actually, the paint is also beginning to fade as well. Okay, after waiting 20 minutes, you want to apply the second coat. After that's done, let it bake in the sun a little bit. Then carefully remove the plastic cover around it and including the tape. So you're done with this side right now. You can see the difference is quite a bit different than previously. The headlight is more clear, although my headlight wasn't that bad to start with. Now I'm starting to work on the other side. Notice I have fast water right now. Of course, I can't really rub that fast. Probably noticed that. So give it a thorough cleanse over here, I guess, and do it all the way through. Actually, I didn't get enough solution, so I added a little bit more solution. Just be careful not to scratch the paint because the pads actually are very coarse. If you're not careful, you actually could scratch the paint as well too. So after this is done, you're going to rinse with water and make sure it's clean again. Then you're going to do the final clear coat and another coat after that. I'm going to skip a little bit on that because I don't want to show again and again the same thing. I just want to show you the effort I go through in preparing the headlights before painting with the paint spray. I guess my taping job. All right, so clean it again after that. Then apply the coats. Once you have everything done, it should look like this. So it looks just as beautiful as the other side. I noticed that if you wait for 20 minutes before painting, it's better than 15. Hopefully this helps you out and save you some money. Thumbs up, please. See you next time. Bye.